The problem with eating delicious treats is that others expect you to share. Breakfast. I almost forgot that I was strapped up and medicated as I stepped back onto the Pennine Way coming out of Middleton on Teesdale. Why? Because the beauty of this section was beyond anything I expected. Following the river, I was greeted with rugged cliffs and tumultuous waters as I headed towards High Force. With sore feet, I pressed on. Today's mammoth stretch was wreaking havoc on my legs, but the worst of it settled along the sides of my feet. I needed more support. The rocky terrain was punishing. Still, with every step, the rugged landscape filled me with quiet excitement. The majesty of the land was inspiring, and I felt as though I had wandered into some fantasy world. Something out of Game of Thrones or a tale of Merlin. It stirred all the right feelings. I just wished the ones in my feet would disappear. This is the path. It's very rocky. Honestly, the rock scrambling I could do without today. Time to put some sunscreen on. The sun's out. And I really miss it. Just to think, down there is where I was sitting. And this is the fucking trail. Just rocks. This is the longest hiking day. And my God, it's killing my feet. I will honestly don't know how far I've got to go. About anywhere between 8 and 10, 11 kilometres. I've already done 23 or 24 kilometres. Just knowing that I've still got so much to go is mentally taxing. It's getting cold too. Still so far to go. As I approached Dutton, intrusive thoughts began creeping into my mind. Doubts about whether my body would actually keep going. Mentally, I was still determined, but physically, I felt completely beaten. I decided the best thing to do was to see what a good night's sleep might fix. But that night, my legs had other ideas, spasming in the tent while my knees throbbed in protest. Still, it wasn't all bad. The pizza hit the spot, and the host of the Dutton campground was the real deal, one of those salt-of-the-earth kind of people who make a place feel instantly welcoming.